This is a quick overview of Home Depot's commercial electric LED lights. These are for can lights in particular. I'm pretty impressed with this product because you can change the color of the lighting, and they're also dimmable, so that's important. Got a couple of different applications. So there's one that you can do plug and play into an existing can light, and it has the Edison bulb. Just screw that in. It's like putting in a light bulb, and there's these little springs that go up into the can. That's where the Edison fixture plugs in. Pretty simple installation. And then they also have this slimline, great application for some tight spots, and I'll show you an example here. So I'm in a kitchen remodel. Here's a traditional old work can, so that's something that was popped up in a new place. But you come over to this other run, and there was HVAC ducting there, so there's no room to put a traditional can in. So in this instance, the slimline has a little box, and you just strip the wires, plug them in to there, and then that box can be slid right up into the vacancy up there. And since it's a very thin fixture, it pops right up in there, and you got little clasp that'll hold it up into the sheetrock. And notice you've got this little selector on the back for changing from a warm looking light to a cool light. So in this kitchen application and laundry application, I'm choosing the brighter light. So this would be the brightest light on this setting, and you can probably tell a little bit of a difference if I click down one. That's a little bit warmer, a little bit warmer, a little bit warmer, and then that would be the warmest light. And then going back the other way, you can kind of see like a sharper contrast if I do that. So the very coolest or brightest kind of gives a blue hue, and then one down from that's pretty acceptable. And you can see, pretty impressive. It's all in one fixture. Something to be aware of, these little spring clips, most people will just slide them up into the can, but there's a spring clip recess right here, so you pull those together and it goes up, and then that way it'll give it the tightest fit up to the ceiling. And again, I'm pretty impressed with how easy it is to install and good quality product.